Hi, it's Nancy today. Here I am again. I was walking along and look what I saw. This little bushy thing. Well, you know what? Those are fig tree leaves. Oh wait, now what? What's going on there? See? This is a fig tree. Correct me if I'm wrong. Of course, this is sweet and sour. What do they call that? Bittersweet. I can never remember it's bittersweet. I always think of sweet and sour. Anyway, so that's fig leaf. And there's more fig leaves down here. I love figs. Fresh figs. They're beautiful and soft and green. So these are fig trees. And of course, why are there so many little fig trees on the ground? It's because dum-da-da-dum. That's not one. This is a fig tree. Oh, I see what's going on here. I can't reach it. It's too high. Well, anyway, so that's a fig tree. And those right in there, are they baby figs? See, there's a little leaf. Go to the side and you can see it better, right? Three-dimensional stuff? No, it's not. It's a leaf. So this here is fig tree. Goes right up into there. And it goes over to here. Remember what the Savior said about the fig tree? When the leaves come out and the figs ripen, the figs fall, and you'll know the time is near, or something like that. Just, to look for the signs of the times. I will change the times and seasons. That's one of those things he says. Well, look at this. And what about, like, this is the split up leaf, but this is a leaf on it too. I didn't realize that. The figs are wild in Connecticut. And we had them in Georgia too. Seems like they're along here. I don't know what else is along here since they just cut the stuff. I don't know, that one's a very lovely, straight looking one. Perfect little tree. Of course, I could be wrong. Maybe they're not figs, but that's what figs looked like when I was picking figs off of them. So, now it's July. I don't see any figs growing on them. When do the figs grow? They should start in spring, right? And then they ripen all summer, and then in the fall they fall. That's what one would think, but I'm not just one. I guess I am just one. Anyway, figs. I'm looking for more of them. No, hey, I got something else.